Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Bless His holy name. He has done great things. God has done great things. He has done great things. Bless His holy name. Thanks, thanks, I give you thanks. Oh, you have done. I am so blessed. My soul is at rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. You are awesome in this place, our Father. You are worthy of our praise. To you doth we pray. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. Welcome into this place.